Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Literature Reader Chapter 4, that is Father's Help. It was written by R.K. Narayan. See the pre-reading task. Have you ever experienced Monday morning blues while going to school after an enjoyable weekend? Share some such experiences with your friends. Suppose you do not wish to go to school someday, do you? Pretend to have a headache. Tell your parents that you do not have any important class. Tell your parents the truth. Make some other excuse. Share your response with your friends. What you will have to do? कभी कभी when the weekend start after holiday, जब आप लोग holiday मनाते हो सैटरडे संडे एंड व्हेन द स्कूल रीओपन्स ऑन मंडे, सो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मंडे की शुरुआत में कभी स्कूल जाने की इच्छा नहीं होती है, तो आप भी कभी कभी एक्सक्यूज़ बनाते होगे, जैसे कभी हेडेक है या कभी अपने पेरेंट्स से बोलते होगे कि हम लोगों का आज कोई इम्पोर्टेंट क्लास नहीं है, या फिर अपने पेरेंट्स को ये भी बोलते होगे कि कभी सच भी बता देते होगे कि आज मेरा मन नहीं है, या फिर मेक सम अदर एक्सक्यूज़, या फिर कुछ और बहाने बनाते होंगे. तो that's all you have to read in this chapter about a boy. That is, the name of the boy is Swaminathan. Now read the following story about Swaminathan, whose excuse for not going to school lands him into trouble. यहाँ पे स्वामीनाथन है, एक बच्चा है जो इसी तरह के बहाने बनाता है, और वो बहाना बनाना उसके लिए कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है, ये इस स्टोरी में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट यू नो द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके. It was written by Mr. R.K. Narayan, the famous Indian writer in English. He was born in Chennai, created the fictional town Malguni Days. Have you heard? I think all of you have watched Malguni Days on national television. He won Padma Bhushan in 1964. He works as an English teacher, and he writes about Swami and friends, which we are going to read in this chapter. So first we see the summary of the chapter, what is all about in the chapter. Father's Help is an extract from R.K. Narayan's famous novel Malgudi Days. In the novel, Narayan portrays the life of a small boy called Swami, who is mischievous but at the same time lovable. This story portrays a day in the life of Swami. One Monday morning, Swami wakes up with a shudder because he didn't want to go to school. He is always scared of his mathematics teacher. He complains of a headache to his father. His father is adamant, and so he asks Swami to go to school no matter what happens. On this, Swami narrates to his father about the way his mathematics teacher, Mr. Samuel, punishes the boys. He even adds some lie to it. His father sends a letter to Swami's headmaster complaining about Samuel's cruel attitude. Swami resists it, but it is of no use. Swami understands that he is in trouble because all he wanted was not to go to school. He repents on what he did. Swami is sent to school, but to his luck, his headmaster was absent. So Swami brings back the letter. His father scolds him of being a coward and tears the letter. He also wants Swami not to go, crying to him if Samuel again beats him. So, see the picture here, Swaminathan and the teacher Samuel. Here is the meaning: twist, the act of turning something. It also means deform or distort. See, some of the question from the chapter is, what reply does Swami give when his father asks him the reason for not going to school? यहाँ पे ये पूछा जा रहा है कि स्वामी ने अपने फादर को क्या बोला, क्या रीज़न दिया स्कूल नहीं जाने का. Swami says that he has headache. Some of the question from between the chapter is given here. First, what you have to do today, you have to read this chapter. First, you read by yourself, then I will